Belzona 4141 is a two-component, lightweight repair composite for the rebuilding of damaged vertical and overhead concrete surfaces. This high-build system simplifies applications while providing long-term protection. This solvent-free epoxy repair composite is non-porous and does not absorb water or chemicals. It provides excellent carbonation resistance and withstands extreme weather conditions. Generally, concrete must be left to cure for a minimum of 28 days. Belzona 4141, in comparison, will achieve a full mechanical cure within 12 hours at 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and full chemical cure in 3 days. In this video, we will demonstrate how to mix a bucket of Belzona 4141. For this mixing, you will need a mechanical hand mixer. First, open Belzona 4141 bucket and take out all the components. The Belzona 4141 bucket contains all the necessary components for the mix: Belzona 4141 base and solidifier, a Belzona spatula, and separate containers for smaller mixing quantities. As always, make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for use that comes with each product. Empty the entire contents of Belzona 4141 solidifier into the mixing bucket and add a small portion of the Belzona 4141 base. Start mixing both components together using a mechanical mixer. Once both components are thoroughly mixed, keep adding Belzona 4141 base into the mix in portions, using the mechanical mixer in between each time. Continue mixing until all the base is fully incorporated into the mix and an even color and consistency are achieved. Once the product is mixed, it is ready for the planned application on window sills and lintels, archways and bridges, decorative moldings, and other cosmetic repairs. To get more information about Belzona 4141, visit www.belzona.com.